A lot of factory cases. TCN-18 freezer vending machine. OEM, ODM available. The size of the slots is variable, and spiral or conveyor or pusher slots can be selected to adapt to different sizes of goods. Commercial powerful compressor, powerful cooling, energy saving and quiet. The lowest temperature can reach -18. Widen the pickup port. Suitable for all kinds of large size products. And it can store up to 500 pieces. 22-inch HD touch screen. Supports software split screen. Banknote payment. Payment can be customized. The machine is adopted intelligent elevator system. Anti-drop and anti-shatter. Stable shipment. The light is on when the goods are picked up and lock up automatically after dispensing.